Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a conversation from scratch using the new conversation designer. Um, we'll be using some sample content from a conversation we already have, transforming advocacy, and we'll be adding 4 pages and a schedule event. So the first thing is logging in to the designer. This is at voicevoice.com/self-auth/login. Um, And the first page you'll see is a list of all the conversations you have on your account. Um, so let's click on new conversation. Let's enter the title, transforming advocacy test. Our URL keyword. This will be used in the registration and start pages. And some sample description text. You can also add a video to the registration page and a logo or profile picture. I have one image here. Then click Save. Now there's a bug where this dialog doesn't close after saving, so you have to close it manually and refresh the page to see the new conversation created. It will be at the bottom of the page. So let's click on it to edit it. And this is the new conversation designer. So we'll be adding 4 pages first. Click on Add Page. Um, the first page will be an on-ramp video. So we'll choose a pre-recorded video. As internal page name, we'll call it on-ramp. And we have to select in is on-ramp page. We have to click yes. So click Save. You'll see the page created on the left. Next, click Upload Video, and you can preview the video here. Okay, so the next page will be a breakout page. Click Add Page, page type Breakout Focus. We'll name it Introductions. This will be the first page of the conversation where participants will introduce themselves. So we have to select Is Initial Page. And then we'll add a page title and some instructions for the group in the above button text. Okay. Next will be a video page. We'll choose pre-recorded video. We'll call it discussion question. Upload a video. Let's add a page title with a question for the group to discuss and some further instructions. Next, we'll add an embed code page. We'll call it final recommendations. And here I have a Google slide presentation that will be used in this page. So the first thing you have to do when embedding a slide is going to File, Publish to the web, and publish the document so everyone can see it without having to log into Google Slides. Next, go to Embed and copy the embed code. Go back to the designer and paste it. And we have to add a small change to the code. This is to hide this display bar in Google Slides. It's called RM minimal. And we add it after the delay 3000. And if you go to preview, you'll see the bar is no longer there. Okay, so once we have all the pages, the next thing will be adding buttons to link between the pages so the group can navigate them. So let's go back to the on-ramp page, click Add Button, uh, call it Next. Select the target page, would be the introductions page. This is a very important setting. When linking to the first page of a conversation, you have to set Join Group on Target page to Yes. So the group will be formed on the target page. This has to be done only once on the conversation. Um, Next, we'll go to the introductions page, add button, next, choose the next page, save, then the discussion question page, add button, also next, go to the final recommendations page, and then on the final page, we'll add a button called start over so people can go back and restart the conversation. Next target will be introductions. Okay, so we're done adding content. The next thing is adding a schedule time. So adding schedule times is still not possible on the conversation designer. So for that, we have to go to more advanced settings. This will open the old author environment in a new tab. Um, go to back to conversation, click new event, choose a start time, and duration. The duration is the time after the start time where people can still register to the conversation. So we'll enter 30 minutes. Next, create an event. We can close this. Now, to register the conversation, we have to get the URL keyword on conversation settings and go to beta.voiceboys.com/register/URL keyword. And people can register here. And to preview the conversation, you can go to beta.voiceboys.com/start/URL keyword. So yeah, that's all. You can also read these steps on the voiceboys.freshdesk.com page we created. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.